Okay guys, Wednesday, June 11th. Is that it? I think so. We're at the Centre de la Nature, Nature Center. That's a big vase, huh? Big pot. Oh, big pot. Whoa. Centre de la Nature used to be a quarry. Oof, I don't know, maybe 50 years ago as well. They may be closed at the same time, not at the same time. They may be closed earlier. Oh, second, I didn't see that. I talk a lot. So there's a little restaurant. There's a zoo. There's a big terrain football over there. They do concert, lots of stuff. There's a little farm. And there's used to be the pit. Now it's a lake. They decided to make a lake. So this is how maybe it's going to look at the Parc Frédéric back in 50 years. It's really nice. Very quiet today. No one around Wednesday. I'm by myself. I said, close the park for me. I don't want no cyclists and ballet. No one. Eh? No one. Please, please refrain. Close the park for me. For me. So canoe's ready for me. Should we jump? Nice chalet. This, my friend, on the weekend. And it's no swimming, unfortunately, but you could fish. They have some fish. They put some fish, or I don't know what. They say un lac ensemencé, so for some fish. Okay. Wow, they got the rescue tank. In the winter time, well, it becomes a Nordic skiing track, snowshoe track, walk track, maybe a geo track for the Mars. I don't know. We'll see. We're allowed to have birds today. Oh, who's there? Someone is there. Said no one. We said no one. You know, all the right people trying to squeeze in, eh? Supposed to put in anyone. So we're waiting for the rain. It's about 30 today, Celsius. It's really nice, huh? They got nice, very nice Centre de la Nature. Yeah. But telling you, if you come here on weekends, watch out. Let's go off-road. They have lots of little ponds. Lots of seats. Oh wow, look at that. Really nice, huh? Oh, you got a duck. I think a lot of people come here for wedding pictures. Not divorce pictures, but wedding pictures. Yep, it's really nice. Very nice. Don't come here too often. So now we're gonna go this way. There used to be the farm. It's big. It's a big territory. Let's go see what's over there, over the mountain. There's another restaurant. Oh, look at that. A steam room. Steam room. For people that are allergic. I think the farm is at the other end. Oh, they put some speed bump. What's happening? Hello, speed bump. Okay, let's go up. See what's up there. Maybe nothing. We're off-road now. Wow, what is that? Oh, ski hill. Okay, ski hill. There used to be a concasseur breaking the rocks. It's all covered now. They made a ski hill out of it. Yeah, there was a few trees growing there, right in front of you. They made a ski hill. It's a big cement block breaking rocks. Wow. So they use this maybe for ski hill in the winter time. See where we're going here. Maybe we're going at the end too much. Too much. Oh, maybe not. Check it out. Check it out. They got what? Tennis indoor? Is there a warehouse? So we pass by the zoo. They're not squeaking too much anymore, huh? So we're going by the zoo. I hope we have enough time. It's a big park, you know. Big park. Very nice. We'll stay on the asphalt. Maybe not. 2 restaurants. Offices. There's the steam room. Why is that? I don't know. Who wants some steam? Oh, there's a green room. Green rooms. Yeah, they keep the plants. They're quite busy here. That's fun. Burning stuff. Green rooms. Hey, more people here. I thought it was going to be alone. Centre Sculpture. And there's an horticultural center. They grow plants. And, oh yeah. It's not open today, but they have the water going. I think they cut the water. So there's the farm. The farm animals. Oh yeah, I see that. Very nice. No animals in the farm. Used to be animals. No animals in the farm. They have the ducks for the, I don't know what. No animals for the farm. Oh, there may be hot. They went out for lunch, the animals. Not even one. Calvin, they call this a farm. Not one animal. Come on, show me one. Huh? One? Not even one. It's like it's closed. Fermé, closed. Maybe enough animal, and now we're going horticulture. Oh, Spider-Man net. Okay. Oh, I'll go by there. Go up the hill. There used to be some deers here, right there on the left. Nothing, no one. It was part of the park. With the big fence, you know. Going up. Yeah, nothing here, my friend. No animal around here. Okay, well, we're at Parc Centre de la Nature and we have visible animals. Now I don't know if we're going the right way, but the door is open, so let's exit. We're going to take the off-road track, try to reach the main road track. Yeah, oh yes, we are. We're really next to people. Maybe for runners. Scooters. Oh no, it's wet. Yes, is my cold going away? Not bad. Not bad. Okay, let's move, eh? We want at least one take for that. We're at Parc Centre de la Nature, kind of lost in the out of track. Oh, look at that. Yes, sir, my goodness. You're fast, George. You're fast, George. Ah, we're back here. So, yes, they got a big Olympic-style swimming pool. And we'll finish that here, guys. That's where they got the Grand Plaza, where they do the shows and all that stuff. My brother used to be lifeguard here with his good friend. Oh, yeah, they were very good friends. We got security here. So we'll close it here. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Happy riding. They may be setting up some stuff. They normally have a big party. It's surprising that the swimming pool, oh no, it's not open yet because school's not out. Maybe in 2 weeks. So they're practicing everything. Okay, this is the swimming pool. It's big, it's nice, huh? And we're in the quarry called Parc Centre de la Nature, and we're with the Mars. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy riding.